to my channel. Welcome back. What is this? What am I doing? I don't know. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? That is so weird when I do that. I don't know why I do that. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Today I have a subscriber request. Somebody saw a wig either on my mannequin or in one of my wig hauls and wanted to see it, so I'm doing it because she asked me. Okay, this is Renee Paris's Nolan. There is a show and tell up on her. But today we're going the complete opposite. Okay, this is Outre's ALLEGRA, and I have ALLEGRA in the color DR4/AshBlonde. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. 5-inch lace parting. She has baby hairs. Comes in a few colors, not a ton. And I got her from Shop Hair Wigs for $21.35. And this is her cap construction. So she does have just a lace front edge and then the lace parting. 2 combs in the front set, a little bit wide, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let me get her on and then we will talk about her. I got her on and got her together. I feel like I did not cut the lace back because there's just not much to cut, and I didn't want to. I'm definitely not keeping this wig, and I don't want to compromise it for somebody who'd want to. Right. I feel like she should be a side part. I think that's part of it. So I feel like this part needs to be like cut up a little bit. Yeah. So that it's more of a side part. I think that would be better. Let me just try to put, like, it's like one long piece. Let me just try to put that like behind the ear there so that it can look like it is cut even though it's not. I feel like she's just cuter as a side part. But she's meant to be a middle part. And it's meant to do this. Like you can see, it's meant to do. I don't know why that's like that. The curls feel great though. The curls are gorgeous. I absolutely love this color, and it is the color that she's wearing. I do feel like maybe in a darker color to actually be better, or to like trim all of this extra stuff here. I'd want to like trim it because see, she doesn't seem to have a lot of this extra stuff. So I'd want to like piece this out and trim it. Yeah, see these long weird. I thought she'd be like free trust equals liberty, which I really liked. Okay, so now I'm starting to get her somewhere, but she's not quite. This isn't bad. This isn't not bad. I guess you're going to have to work with her. She's not my favorite. Wig cap is a little bit big, just like most Outre wig caps are. The curls feel amazing. I have to tell you that. So if you really love the curls, I think this would be worth working with. But you are going to have to work with it to get it to sit in the right way. And maybe to piece the curls out You know, not all of them, but here and there. They do feel so cute. Yeah, the curls are stunning. There's no two ways about it. This is a beautiful curly wig in terms of the curls. Maybe it could be the color. I'm not really sure. I do feel like now I have it in a place where I like it more. She's not the best full-on middle part. I feel like she's better just slightly off. But yeah. So if you're the person who requested this, what do you think? Okay, so it's getting better. It's getting better as I'm... Okay, all right. Now, whew, I wasn't sure. Now I think she's cute. Yep, now, right where she is right now. I almost want to spray her. This is, yeah. So, but overall, wig cap is comfortable. Color is beautiful. These curls are amazing. They feel amazing. They feel so bouncy. They feel so realistic because I do have natural curly hair. They feel realistic. I absolutely love. She just needs a little bit of work, just like natural curly hair would too. To get her, once she's in the place that's good, she's good. But until then, it's touch and go. But yeah, so I don't know. What are your thoughts? Do you like this wig? Do you not? Do you think maybe if it was in a darker color? I don't know. I kind of like it. What are your thoughts? So yeah, that's a really weird review. I'm not sure. I sort of really like it now. I really liked Free Trust Equals Liberty, so I will put a picture of that one. That was kind of what I was thinking this would be like, and potentially it could be pieced out and cut to be similar to that, because I'm pretty sure you can't get that wig anymore. But yeah, so that's my review for this for this wig. Let me know what you think. And if you have a request that you would like me to do, go ahead and put that down below. I will put my whole Outre playlist down below so you can see what I've already reviewed. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.